Have you ever dreamed of sharing your passion with the world? Imagine reaching eager learners from every corner of the globe. Picture yourself shaping minds and igniting curiosity from the comfort of your own home. Online teaching offers this incredible opportunity. It's a gateway to a new era of education, a chance to break free from traditional classrooms and connect with students globally. You can transcend geographical boundaries and cultural barriers. Imagine setting your own schedule, designing engaging courses and witnessing the aha moments of learners across continents. The flexibility is unparalleled. This is the power of online teaching in the 21st century. It's a revolution in how we share knowledge and inspire growth. It's a dynamic and rewarding field, and the best part, the joy and fulfillment it brings are unmatched. You can be a part of it. Join a vibrant community of educators who are making a difference. This guide will equip you with the tools and knowledge to embark on this exciting journey. From tech tips to teaching strategies, we've got you covered. We'll explore everything from finding your niche to building a thriving online classroom. So let's dive in. The adventure awaits. Are you ready to unlock your potential as an online educator? Let's begin. Your journey to becoming an impactful online teacher starts now. With a niche and solid foundation, it's time to craft your curriculum. This is where you transform your knowledge into engaging learning experiences. Start by defining your target audience. What are their learning goals? What are their preferred learning styles? Next, break down your chosen subject into manageable modules and lessons. Each lesson should have clear learning objectives and a logical flow of information. Incorporate various teaching methods such as video lectures, interactive quizzes, group discussions, and real-world case studies. Remember, your curriculum should be comprehensive yet engaging. It should cater to different learning styles and keep students motivated throughout their learning journey.
Choosing the right platform is crucial for reaching your target audience and delivering a seamless learning experience. The online teaching landscape offers a plethora of platforms, each with its own strengths and limitations. Popular platforms like Coursera and Udemy cater to a vast audience and offer built-in marketing tools. However, they also come with higher competition and platform fees. Other platforms like Teachable and Thinkific provide more control over your branding and pricing, but require more effort in marketing your courses. Consider your budget, technical expertise, marketing goals, and desired level of control when selecting a platform. Research different options, compare their features, and choose the one that best aligns with your needs and goals.
Just like a traditional classroom, your online teaching space needs the right tools and equipment to create a conducive learning environment. Fortunately, setting up a virtual classroom is more accessible than you might think. Start with the basics: a reliable computer with a stable internet connection, a good quality webcam, and a headset with a noise-cancelling microphone. These ensure clear audio and video, essential for engaging online lessons. Invest in screen recording software to create video lectures and tutorials. Tools like Camtasia or OBS Studio offer various editing features to enhance your videos. Consider using a digital whiteboard like Miro or Google Jamboard for interactive brainstorming sessions and visual explanations. Remember, your virtual classroom should be a reflection of your teaching style and create a welcoming and professional learning environment for your students. Personalize your space with elements that inspire creativity and focus. This could include motivational posters, a tidy background, or even a plant to add a touch of nature. The goal is to make your virtual classroom as engaging and effective as possible, ensuring that both you and your students have a productive and enjoyable experience. Creating engaging content is crucial for the success of any online educational platform. Content is king in the world of online education, and it plays a pivotal role in student engagement and retention. To captivate your audience and deliver impactful learning experiences, you need to create engaging and high-quality content that resonates with your students. Ditch the monotonous lectures and embrace diverse formats to keep the learning experience fresh and exciting. Use a mix of video lectures, interactive quizzes, downloadable worksheets, audio recordings, guest expert interviews, and online discussions to cater to different learning styles and keep students engaged and motivated. Visual aids are your best friend when it comes to enhancing understanding and retention. Incorporate relevant images, infographics, animations, and videos to break up text-heavy content and make complex concepts easier to grasp. Tools like Canva and Adobe Spark make it easy to create visually appealing graphics even without design experience, helping you to elevate your content. Remember, your content should be informative, engaging, and easily digestible to ensure it meets the needs of all learners. It should cater to different learning styles and keep students motivated throughout their learning journey, ensuring they stay on track and achieve their educational goals.
Building your online presence is essential. Creating exceptional content is only half the battle. To attract students to your virtual classroom, you need to establish a strong online presence and market your courses effectively. Start by building a professional website or landing page that showcases your expertise, courses, and testimonials. Use social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook to connect with potential students. Share valuable content and promote your courses. Consider starting a blog or vlog to share your insights, teaching tips, and industry updates. This establishes you as a thought leader in your niche and attracts organic traffic to your online courses. Remember, consistency is key in the online world. Regularly update your website, social media profiles, and content to stay top of mind with your target audience.
Fostering a vibrant learning community is incredibly rewarding. One of the most rewarding aspects of online teaching is the opportunity to foster a vibrant learning community. Encourage interaction and collaboration among your students to create a sense of belonging and support. Facilitate online discussions through forums or chat groups, where students can share their thoughts, ask questions, and learn from each other. Host live Q&A sessions to address student queries and provide personalized feedback. Consider incorporating group projects or peer-to-peer learning activities into your curriculum. This encourages collaboration, problem-solving, and the application of learned concepts in a practical setting. Remember, a thriving online learning community enhances the learning experience for everyone involved. It creates a sense of camaraderie, encourages active participation, and fosters a love for lifelong learning.
Continuous improvement and growth are fundamental. The journey of an online educator is one of continuous improvement and growth. Regularly reflect on your teaching practices, gather student feedback, and adapt your strategies to enhance the learning experience. Use surveys, feedback forms, or online polls to collect student input on course content, teaching style, and platform usability. Analyze this feedback objectively and identify areas for improvement. Stay updated on the latest trends in online education, explore new technologies, and experiment with different teaching methodologies. Embrace a growth mindset and view challenges as opportunities for learning and innovation. Remember, the world of online education is constantly evolving. By embracing a mindset of continuous improvement, you can ensure that your courses remain relevant, engaging, and impactful for years to come.